Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hide Viral. In this video we are going to learn how to hide columns and unhide the columns in action. In the previous video we have learned how to hide rows and unhide the rows, but in this video number 3, we are going to learn how to hide rows and unhide rows column. So let's get started. You can see here my data is here. So if I want to hide the column B, this is the columns, and I will just go on this B bar and right click here, and then you can see hide unhide. So for now I want to hide this column. Just I will click here and you can see column B is hide. And if I want to do the same for C, then I will click on C and right click and then hide. So in this way you can hide. So next method is just go here in home tab, select the range and go to home tab, and then go to format and hide and unhide. I will select hide columns. So you can see the columns are hide. So now if I want to unhide this all, I want to show the all within this spreadsheet, so I'll just click here and then double click it here, and you can see if I drag it here, you can see all the columns are unhide, all are showing perfectly. So in this way you can hide and unhide the columns in this simple way. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. This is my video number 3, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.